No, really, get out. What am I gonna do? Like, seriously. Like, get the fuck out of my bar.
This is my friend, my mate, okay? So, get out of his face.
You know what? You're actually quite entertaining, so why don't you just fucking stay?
Isn't that awesome, isn't
No,
it?
no, you're not awesome. You're a fucking piece of work is what you are. Quite far
Some
from
people
awesome.
love me because I am who I am.
That's great. You know what? You can be whoever you want to be outside of my bar.
That still doesn't solve the problem.
I don't know where your bank card is. Holy fuck.
But you took it last.
You remember me taking your bank card? I have not even talked to you all night.
Did
But you remember me taking your card.
You gave me a drink.
I did not give you a drink. She did. You have a really freaking weird memory, okay? Like, what am I even doing here? Fuck's sake.
Geez, I don't know what the hell you're doing.
You're fucking, you know what? You're getting
You
out.
can't talk to customers, right?
Honey,
You came up to her and was being rude.
yeah, thank
That's
you.
not me, that's you.
You're both absolutely, you're both rude. You think I talk to customers rude
No, we're
just
not
for the
being
hell of it?
I'm not trying to be rude. I just
You're not.
want to
No,
what
you know
my
what? You're
bank
not.
card is.
No, you're being polite. It's not you.
I just know that I gave my bank card to this bar, and now I don't have my bank card.
I'm sorry.
And
I
I'm
don't-
being screwed for my bank card.
We're not screwing you. You're
Well, obviously somebody is.
All of us.
Then where's my fucking bank card?
I gave it back to you, honest to God.
Have you checked the floor? Maybe? Have you checked the floor?
No, I don't have to check the floor.
Oh!
You check the floor. Fuck.
Excuse me, you can't stand here, by the way.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, you can't stand here.
Oh, it's okay, I'll stand behind my man.
Yeah, you can't stand here.
My mate.
Okay.